We're here at MobileCon 2012 for the Sierra Wireless launch event of the AirVantage 4 M2M Cloud.
AirVantage 4 has packaged device management so that you can monitor the health and well-being of your devices, download firmware over the air, correct your devices, change the configuration in your devices at the edge of the network. It's also tightly integrated with operator subscription management platforms so you can provision and manage the subscriptions for your devices in the field. And it also provides compelling tools and APIs that the enterprise can leverage to rapidly build and deploy compelling applications.
So first of all, the management service. So what the management service is about is simplifying the management of these diverse devices in the field. And what's different about it is that it brings together not just device management, but also management of subscriptions from operators, management of software downloads, management of firmware downloads. So all that in a single environment, in a single user interface. The next element is the enterprise platform. So enterprise platform is what's the basis of that application, but it's also making that open now to third-party developers to build applications. It's accelerating the time to create these M2M applications. That's really what we see as the barrier to rapid adoption of M2M, so we're making these tools easy to accelerate that. And it does that by simplifying the integration with these existing applications. So people are going into ERP systems, CRM systems for notifications, and also create new M2M applications. So all that data now is right there. It's identified, it's named. Using the latest Web 2.0 interfaces, you can quickly pull out that data and put it into your applications. So now with Amazon, so you get the APIs from Sierra Wireless, but then now where do you run your M2M application? Well, you can run that now on the Amazon cloud. So now you have all of it cloud-based. So you can go to our developer program, get a trial account from Amazon, a trial account from us, get started, build your application with no IT investment at all.
The M2M network is generally an isolated network when you look at it with the device network and the enterprise network. So making use of data is actually quite challenging when the two networks are segregated. Secondly, integrating the interoperability between the networks is complex, so there are many protocols. One person talking in one protocol, another person talking in another one. So it gets very complex to integrate those two. We feel with cloud can be kind of this middle broker between these two networks. And what we ultimately see is that the value for M2M is being able to focus on the application development of that and leave the infrastructure to someone like AWS that knows how to manage it at scale, both securely, reliably, and with the operational experience that we've had for over 15 years.
So the #1 goal is to really make it simple to accelerate M2M. There's a lot of partners in this room, and we're all having the same goal, which is to accelerate M2M, so that's #1. But it has to be scalable, so it needs to be easy for 10 devices, but also for millions of devices. We made a lot of investment in that. That's really important as well. And finally, of course, security.
For more information, you can go to www.sierrawireless.com/AirVantage.